Voilà. Al deze hem, ja, de 6,5. Of de blauwe. Nee, ja. Ah ja. Voilà. Ah, hier. Hij valt zo traag. En wel leiden 6,5. Ja. Hij is er. Dat is dit nog. That's the one with white tips. 636 was first and then 611 was second. And then this guy, 611's father, is third. Allee, there you go. Ja. That's the red bar, Mealy, the old guy, 2018 I believe. So we had the first two were really, I'm guessing really early because we hadn't seen a pigeon yet. And the first guy was 636, the blue bar that we always had at 100k. And then the second guy was 611 again, early again, because it's headwind and a little bit stronger weather. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of hot and headwind, and there's this fine dust hanging everywhere. So yeah, a little bit harder weather. And then yeah, the third was the one with white tips, and now second is the Mealy. Fourth, I mean. So yeah, we're waiting for the fifth one. That's 650. Yeah, Ace Pigeon strain. Nee, 650. Oh, why they always have to land on the... Oh no, that's not 650. No clue. 615, also Ace Pigeon strain, but not is the grandson of him. 650 is the son. This is actually the first time that this guy is flying decently early. Ja, van achterop. Maar je moet nagissen. Now that's 650. He's a little bit darker. Nee, die valt wel. There he goes. So this is our sixth bird. We have them all on 200k. I don't know if I told you this before. So 11 birds on 200k. 56. Dat is 56. That's out of the ordinary. That's the one I pulled the tail out of. Pretty weird that he's on time. Yeah. Another one, you can see him. Of course, why they always, he dropped really well, and then he goes and sits on the roof. Allez. So that's our, I don't know, I'll go have a look. Yeah. It's our 8th bird already. keep in mind we did have 318, which was a little bit sick. Had some issues breathing, but we did actually bask him just to, you know, have some pigeons. So yeah, he's probably not gonna be early. So we still have two. The grizzle, which is kind of weird. 2 last weeks he hasn't performed well. And then the old guy, old blue bar, 833, which we usually have on 100k. But he does fly well on 200k as well, but apparently not now, right now. Oh. So this is 833. A little bit late. I don't think it's gonna be a prize anymore, but oh yeah, up. There he goes. So yeah, we're still expecting 2 birds. As I said, the sick one, it's 318, and then the grizzle, which is unexpected of him. So I don't know if you can see, I just wanted to go home, but the grizzle just arrived, so yeah, only 318 missing, but yeah, he was sick, so yeah, can't really count him. So we got the results here now. Yeah, only had birds in the 200k race, so that's the only one we're gonna go over. So 438 birds in this race. We got 17th and 23rd, yes. And then the first bird was the blue bar again, which has been first 3 times in a row now. And then second was 611, which this is his good placing again. I believe he was 6th in club, which means he had 2nd, 3rd, 5th and 6th for ace pigeon. But the main competitor we have got his bird for ace pigeon, which is this one. Wagemans Luck got it 2nd, which is gonna be the main competitor. So yeah, I thought we were good on this, but yeah, he got him before we did, so we're gonna have a hard time against him. But yeah, still 1 race to go, so let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, did I mention we had 11 birds in the race? And then the 3rd one home is the one with white tips, as you could see in the video, 72nd place. And then the melee, that's gonna be this guy, 114th. And then 615, which is actually the first time he's flown prize, so. And then yeah, you can see these ones just fell off the sheet because the sheet ends here. So yeah, that's kinda unfortunate, but yeah, we had 5 of them on the sheet, and the 3 remaining ones just fell off at the end, because the 3 at the end were literally almost right next to each other, so right after each other, I mean. So yeah, 611 needs to be certain that he has ace pigeon. This guy should have a bad week next week, and ours should have a good week next week, because it's calculated by coefficient and stuff. So yeah, it's up in the air. I believe we're still first in the champion competition on 200k, so yeah, that's good. But yeah, anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and as always, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and have a good day.